This is the birdhouse that I got on Amazon today, and I don't know if you can tell, but I got this on a little hook right here, but you can see how much of an angle that it is on because of the positioning of the hanger. And I don't want to nitpick too much here because I'm saying, okay, well, I'm trying to hang this against a wall or a surface, so maybe this is meant to hang like on a tree branch or something like that. So, or a shepherd's hook. So that would be completely fine and work for this. I just wish there was other mounting options to make it a little bit more versatile, but it's absolutely stunning. I love the design. I love everything about this, and so yeah, that was my only problem, was that I just wish it had an alternative way to attach it to a different surface other than a freestanding shepherd's hook or branch. And I question whether this rope here is going to be holding up in the weather as well. If I did do that, that's kind of why I wanted to put it under a covered porch where this would have a little bit of protection from getting wet during the storms. So good luck with yours.